In this video, I'll be showing you how anyone can earn $150 to all the way up to $400 per week. Now, if you are an action taker, you can make that money in a single day. Now, it totally depends on you because most people skip part of the video and they don't get it and they go and watch another video. But if you take fully advantage of this video, I am saying you can make that $400 per day. Now, if you are a beginner, this video is completely for beginner. You have just come online. You have no technical skills whatsoever. Even a kid can do this, which I'm going to share with you guys. So before we start, if you are new to my channel is all about how you can make a living online and start living life on your terms. So if you are that person, join our family by tapping the red button below with the bells on and join our community. Now, today I'll be showing you two websites because the way I think online is that have multiple sources of income. The first website is called gotranscript.com. Now, I'm sure if you are regularly searching online, you came across this website, but you don't know at the hidden side of this website how you can automate things. The best part of this entire video is that I'll show you how this works, and also I will show you how to make things automated. So that's the thing. So I'm saying you don't skip, or else you will just leave and walk out of the video and just go for another video, and that cycle goes on and on and on. And trust me, that goes on and on. I'm affected by that as well. Unless I understood that you need to take some time to watch the video till the end, and then I got it, and then I tried it, and then the results came. So that's how it works. So don't be in a hurry. Take some time and watch the video. So the first website is called gotranscript.com. Now, you can see here up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. Now, I don't know about you, but I am little big in maths. Let me take an online calculator. So 60 cents, oops, 60 into, sorry, it was 90, right? Oh, 60. Into 1 hour, so that's basically $36 per hour. So what you need to do is, as you can see, average earnings per month, and this is the top monthly earnings from a person, 1215. So how this website works is that there are maybe webinar, then maybe YouTube, anything which they need to transcribe it in the audio. So that basically they will give the file and you need to transcribe that. Simple as that. Now, first, if you don't know GoTranscript, just click on the sign up button. It will ask you for your email and password. And by the way, I recommend you to sign up with your email. And then once you've done that, maybe they will verify you. They will send a link. Just click that link and verify your account, and then just log in it. Simple as that. So before I share with you the secret behind this website, let me quickly share with you the second website. Is called Scribby.com. Now, this is very similar to GoTranscript, but the problem, one disadvantage is that GoTranscript pays you more, but Scribby pays you less. Now, why I'm sharing with Scribby is that it's okay to make some money rather than no money, all right? So this is very good, low cost compared to GoTranscript. But the reason why I'm sharing with you this website and GoTranscript as well, because I truly believe that do not work hard, work smart. If you're watching my videos, before videos, you know exactly that I believe in not working hard, working smart. So how we can automate this website, take leverage of these two websites, is that most people just tell you the upper part of the website, they don't go deep in it. So what I will do is open the back doors for you. Scroll all the way down and you will see an option called affiliate. As you can see, a work, affiliate and transcription tool. Click on affiliate. Not many people know that GoTranscript has an affiliate system. What that means is when you create an account with that, they will give you a link. So using that link, you can tell your friends, family members to join. And if you don't know anyone, you are a solo person, don't worry, I got you. In a later part of the video, I'll show you exactly how you could get highly targeted people who are ready to go to your sign up to the affiliate link and make you 10% lifetime commissions. That's the cool part. You don't have to do any work and you get passive income that gets on and on as long as the person you brought in does the work. So let's say if he earns $100 per month, you paid $10 without doing nothing. That's the very cool part. So Scribby, guess what? Same thing all the way down, and you can see affiliate program. Same, as I said, GoTranscript gives you more, this gives you less, 5%. But as I said, no money is greater than some money. So what you need to do is, what I will do is, I will never work with this website doing my own. But if you do want to, I got you. So if you want to make some money by transcribing audios, what I will recommend is a free software called NCS software. This software allows you to transcribe for free. Now, what I will do is I will leave a link down this in the description with that audio software. I think that it's let's see, Express. Here we go. Here it is. Express Scribe Transcription, and click on search, and here you go. So Express Scribe Transcription software, you just need to type in that search bar, and they have it for Mac and for Windows as well. You can automate things without you having to do zero work. If at all you want to work with GoTranscript and Scribby as a transcriptionist. So that's the thing. Now, if you like me, I will go 100% for affiliate program, and because I don't want to do the work. Like I said, not hard work, smart work. So what I will do is I first create accounts with both of this website, and here comes the secret sauce of the entire video. Okay, this is a website. It's basically a forum called Transcription Essentials Forum. Just Google search it, click on the first link. So this is a forum of worldwide people interested in transcription jobs. As you can see, I just click on this register. By the way, the whole thing is for free, no upfront cost. I accept the terms of the agreement, and I'm at least 18 years old. Just put in an email, username, email, password, stuff like that, and just register it. Now, let me show you the post. This number is very crazy. 323,000 posts. Topics 29,000. So most of the people I see is that they get the links, affiliate link, and they just put it there. That looks very spammy. Always remember, in whatever way you approach, in whatever business you are, people don't care about what you have to do, what you're a millionaire or broke, or whatever you have to provide. They always look at what's in it for me. So your content must be tuned into WIIFM radio. That means what's in it for me. So make sure you put a content that is relevant to them. Take some time. Again, once you post, it's there for life. So make sure you put content, provide value, and then put in your affiliate link. Now, if you watch my before videos, I always recommend that don't put your affiliate link in the first line. It's either in the middle or in the last. And also, I like to do is put do affiliate links. That may be in the middle and again in the last one. So I like to do both. So it's totally up to you how you do it, but don't just put your link there. Don't be look like a spammer and make things very hard. By the way, this entire thing is very easy to do. Just come to GoTranscript and Scribby, create an affiliate account totally for free. And then if you want to do work, go for NCS software, and then grab your affiliate links, come to Transcription Essentials, and boom. Now, how is this method very easy? Yes, but it's easy to do and it's easy not to do. Now, very few people come to that 1% criteria. Most of the people lie on the 99%, and they watch the video and the cycle goes on and on and on. They just don't take action. My question to you is, how will you know which will work for you unless you work for it? So take the video and apply it. If you want to watch it once again, feel free to watch it again. I'll share with you all the things which will automate you. If you want to do transcription jobs, I've showed you the software. If you want to automate the affiliate program, I've shown you the forum. So everything I have provided you, I don't know what else you need. So make sure to take advantage of it. Now, other thing which I will do is also a cool tip. I will go to bit.ly.com. The affiliate link might be very small or very large. That doesn't matter. What I will do is I paste the link here and then shorten it. I have not yet signed in, but what you can do is sign up, and what you can do is you can customize the last part of the link. That's very cool, right? you can just say last part of the free transcription job, or get $100 transcription job, something that's catchy and attractive. Again, don't put spammy there, put something that is real. So that's a cool tip which I can share with you guys that will increase your click-through rate. All right, people will see transcription in the website link, and guess what? They are the people interested in transcription jobs. If they see something transcription in the link, guess what? They are most likely to click on the link. So before you go, I just want you to say one thing though, and this is very, very important. Rich people do what's hard, that's why the life is easy. Whereas the poor people do what's easy, that's why the life is hard. So sleep on that. And I understood that, and I know that my full-time job will never give me the freedom which I want. So I went in online, and now I'm sharing that advice to you, how you can start living life on your terms. Say goodbye to your boss, goodbye to your 9 to 5, and then start living life on your terms. So if you want, in my intention of this channel is to open all the doors of the house so that you can pick a house, go inside which you think you can make money, and then start living life on your terms. So before you leave, make sure to tap the red button below, the bell on, and always remember, just keep going.